Um. So yeah, I f this video up. I'm gonna do a trade recap real quick. So I was on the 1 hour at 3 or 4 p.m. I was getting into the charts. That's around here. This candle, what I was looking for was the reaction of this reaction block that we have here. Bum. And we also have a reaction block or the high of that candle here. That's what I'm looking for as well. This is our zone. This is our range. I mean, this is our range. Obviously, going down to the 50 minutes, seeing how we react and what we're doing off this line. I mean, there wasn't really anything to see on the time frames except that obviously on the 5 minute we have an order block. This is where we want to look for shorts, if anywhere. This is not an just being. He's saying that this is definitely not an A+ setup. I was getting into the charts just wanting to take a trade today, which is not good. What was good with this trade was that I was risking my money really good, very good risk management, and I really like that. And obviously I was using the lower time frames, the 15, 5 sec, not 1 second because we didn't have any volume. Just something out to myself there to remember. What I was looking for, came into the charts around here. I was looking for this line here. If we broke this line, but honestly, I was looking for this line as well. And what we did was we displaced here. I got my entry at the worst fail ever, 925, 0925, 89025. We just spiked up immediately when I entered. I went in with 10 contracts. I was risking $200, I think. Yeah, somewhere around here. And what I was looking for as well was on the 50-second, on the structure on the 50-second. And what we had was, you can see we were slowly grinding down. And I just want to be, the most important thing with this trade was it was a bad entry. Not an entry based on a lower time frame, market structure shift, and whatever, that's what I'm using. What I should have done, should have, could have, whatever. In real time, I knew that this was the time that we wanna get in. Volume increased. We displaced beneath this 50% of the move. This is where we wanna get into the trade, right? This where. But the thing is, it's a good, very good on lower time frames, but because it's on the higher time frames, a bad setup. It's still not good. So you can aim for something smaller, like a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, whatever. It doesn't matter. So I was in 10 contracts, and what I did, I was looking at some levels that I want to show you or show myself. This high, taking partials in this 5-minute reaction block, taking partials at this 1 hour reaction block, right? That's what I did. And that's what we have right here. 10 contracts, taking partials 4 here, taking partials some more. I was taking partials actually off this small FEG or imbalance or whatever you want to call it here. Just one contract. There's I took off in the 1 hour reaction block. I don't know why it doesn't show the line. Didn't I? Maybe I removed it. I don't know. But it's the 1 hour reaction block that I exited last contract, and it shows to be a good decision, as you can see. Kind of reversed off there. To summarize, it was not an A+, definitely not an A+, probably like a C setup on the higher time frames. Not C, but B. But my edge, that's where I win in this trade, and my edge is obviously the lower time frames. Gonna keep that to myself. Nobody is watching these videos, but it's the 15-second and 5-second chart. It's fractal, everything. That makes it possible to get way better entries. Okay, if you were to be on the 1 minute, as everyone is doing, because that's norm for a reason. Let's say you were to enter off the CISD, the fair value gap here. You have your stop above. Some people have above this high, which is fucking insane. Let's say we have it here. Okay, we're targeting the lows. I mean, even if we would hit that trade, it would be a 1 to 3, but only realized 1 to 2.5, which some people would be glad with that trade, right? I guess. The thing is, this is where the edge comes in. The same trade but we're getting a 1 to only 1 to 12. Well, really like a 1 to, you understand the thing, right? That's where the edge is. Remember that, Eric. The edge is in the lower time frames.